So here's another feature I like about my Melco. Like I keep telling y'all, if I had this machine in the lineup, I'd pick it again. Now, as much problems I have with Melco, I have a lot of problems with Melco. And it's Melco I have a problem with, not my machine. Well, I have some issues with the machine. Don't get me wrong. I have some issues with the machine. But most of the problem can be fixed with Melco getting their stuff together. Okay? But this machine, again, if I had it in the lineup, I'd pick it again. And look at this. Here's one of the other features I like, really like with this machine. Look at this. So look. Machine's running, right? I sent the design to the machine. Machine's running by itself. My computer literally shut down on me. Shut off. Okay, I'm gonna have to log back in here. Give me a second. Look, see? Melco OS is not running. Not at all. But my machine's running. Stitching out the design. This is, like I said, this machine is amazing if Melco would just get their stuff together. Right? How this machine haven't cornered the market yet is beyond me. How this machine haven't cornered the market yet is mind-blowing. It is awesome, and that's one of the reasons why I picked this machine, because it is great when it runs. And if Melco will just get their stuff together, I'm telling you, this machine is awesome. Melco just need to get their stuff together, because this machine is held back by Melco themselves. Like I said, my machine literally crashed on me, but the embroidery machine kept going. It didn't skip a beat. It just kept stitching away. That's how good that machine is. That embroidery machine is. Melco, get your stuff together, please. Now, it's not all peaches and roses that I'm trying to make it out to be. Okay? Not all peaches and roses. This is what I mean by Melco need to get their stuff together. The computer came back up, right? And instead the communication restores itself. No. It doesn't restore itself. This is what you get instead. You get a blank screen. And you can't communicate with the machine at all. See? You can't make it communicate back with the machine. It won't do anything. It just sits there. It will not communicate with the machine because it's running. All right? Because the machine's running, it won't recommunicate. It won't establish communication again. You got to turn the machine off to get the communication reestablished, even though it's the same computer that was communicating with it. Like I said, this machine is held back by Melco. Because what should happen is, even though I disconnected the computer, right, or the computer crashed, it should automatically restore the communication when the computer comes back up. But no. In Melco fashion, you gotta jump through hoops. Please get your shit together, Melco. I'm begging you. The machine is amazing. You're holding it back.